This is the ROG Strix XG27ACS, a fast IPS 27-inch gaming monitor, labeled by ASUS as designed for professional gamers and immersive gameplay, with an ultra-fast refresh rate. In the unboxing, we find user manuals and ROG Strix stickers, power cables and the DisplayPort cable in its own included case. Stand base. Stand column. And of course the ROG Strix 27-inch IPS monitor. The stand base is made from a metal alloy with a plastic outer layer, featuring a dedicated space to place your mobile phone and anti-slip material on the bottom. The stand column maintains the same solid construction, with a clean, well-designed look that includes built-in cable management and a mounting 1/4-inch thread to attach accessories like a camera, microphone, or lighting for streaming. The monitor is Visa-ready, so it can be easily mounted on a monitor arm. And it also features a quick release button conveniently located on the back of the panel. Installing the base onto the column is simple and doesn't require any tools, making the setup quick and hassle-free. The ROG Strix XG27ACS supports both FreeSync from AMD and G-Sync from NVIDIA, helping reduce screen tearing for smoother gameplay by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with the GPU's output. The ROG Strix IPS panel features a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. It has a refresh rate of 180 Hz. The response time is 1 millisecond, and it supports HDR10. Additionally, the panel offers a contrast ratio of 1000:1, with a brightness level of 400 nits. In terms of ergonomics, the monitor allows height adjustment, 0 up to 120 millimeters, swivel up to 45 degrees on each side, tilt from -5 to +20 degrees, and pivot up to 90 degrees on each side. For connectivity, we have a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C with DisplayPort at 180 Hz, plus 7.5 watts power delivery. DisplayPort 1.4, supporting up to 180 Hz, and HDMI 2.0, supporting up to 144 Hz. The monitor's USB-C port with DisplayPort Alt Mode allows you to play video and audio from sources like laptops, phones, or tablets using just the USB-C cable. Small devices can also be charged at the same time a video is playing. But remember, your output device must support DisplayPort Alt Mode. At the back of the monitor, a matte housing with embedded ROG Strix logos includes 5 rear buttons, each one providing easy access to different menu features. Cursor, Game Plus, and Game Visual, or simply install the ASUS software to control the monitor's on-screen menu using your mouse. This feature works while your monitor is connected via USB-C or DisplayPort. Among the monitor features, it includes an adjustable overdrive, which can be set from 0 to 20 to increase pixel response for smoother motion. It also supports ELMB Sync, Extreme Low Motion Blur, a technology that reduces motion blur in fast-paced games by synchronizing the monitor's backlight, strobing with the GPU's variable refresh rate. To use ELMB Sync, make sure your GPU and Windows variable refresh rate settings are enabled. With a 180 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, the monitor minimizes input lag and motion blur, delivering smooth and responsive gameplay, especially in fast-paced first-person shooters and racing games. Despite a contrast ratio of 1000:1, which can make blacks appear slightly gray in darker rooms, and its basic HDR10 support with moderate brightness and color enhancement, the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACS delivers a very good experience for casual gamers and a fair, enjoyable experience for watching movies. Enjoyed this video? Subscribe for more upcoming reviews, quick unboxings, and PC builds. Plus, stay tuned, we'll soon be sharing some exclusive perks with our subscribers. Until the next one.